Yes, your boy Ant Season here, man. We back on ranked with Zenitsu, man. Let's go. We hopping straight in. No games played. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Yup. So look, man, I don't really be using Zenitsu like that. Um, to me, he's not a character I like to use. I'm just very bad with him. I'll say it like that. I don't really know much of his combos. I know a little bit of it. But we gonna try to see what we can do. Oh, he kinda beating on me. Y'all see the PlayStation name too, man. Hold on, let me. Kasaki Teta, if you know, you know. You should run when you see my name. Okay. Oh, I thought I sidestepped. Okay. Okay. He hit the first round. That's cool. That's cool. He can have the first round. Mm-hmm. Yup. Yup. Let me stop playing with him, man. Oh, I messed up my dash. See, that's all I really know about his combo. I don't really know much more. As I said, I'm not good with Zenitsu, man. Oh yeah. Get him. Get him. Get him. Yeah. Oh yeah. We on him. We on him. And I'm trash with Zenitsu. We on him. But yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go, man. Oh. What you doing, buddy? What you doing, buddy? What you doing? Oh yeah, we on him. We on him. Oh yeah. I'm trash. I'm really trash though, y'all. Come on, bro, back up. Oh. Damn. Back up. Oh man. Oh, he got me again. Oh, he. Okay. Oh yeah. Come here. Oh. Oh, he got me again. You ready? Here we go. Watch this. Heavy. Oh. Oh. I tried. You already see this comeback. We're gonna get this comeback going. Let's go. Yup. Oh. Bruh, look at me. I'm actually so trash. I do not know no Zenitsu combos but this. Yeah. Okay. Let me get some energy back. Oh, we on him. Grab. Come on, man. Don't block. Heavy. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Get away. Oh. Oh, yeah. I don't know how we got... Oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, that's game. Watch this. He sold. Uh-oh. I might have sold. Boom. Come on. I'm playing very terrible. He is playing worse. What can I say? Heavy? Okay. Got him. Oh, I tried to grab him. I'm selling the bag, y'all. I'm selling the bag. I still got a lot still. Oh, I'm selling the bag. I still got a long way to go to get better at this game. Watch out. Watch out. I'm gonna ult him and I'm a heavy and finish the game. Watch. Mark my words. Remember what I said now. Ult. Yup. Yup. We doing it. Y'all is watching me. I see the future. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna heavy him. He don't get up. Don't just run away, bro. Heavy. Boom, got him. What I told you. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. Stop playing with me. What? Hey, look, game 2. Let's hope he don't quit, man. Please don't quit. You know, I want my wins. So let me tell y'all a little secret about me. I am terrible when it comes to playing against Rengokus. I don't know why. I think Rengokus just scare me because, you know, they just boost, surge, spam, and or they push block and they do the little uppercut move. And I mean, if you use Rengoku, you're trash, honestly. And the person who's gonna watch this video, he knows I'm talking to him because he mains him, and he's trash because he uses Rengoku, honestly. But this Rengoku is kinda trash. Yeah, this game is gonna be quite easy, looking like this Rengoku is trash. But yeah, if you use Rengoku, you only use him because he does the most damage in the game, honestly. But hey man, y'all let me know who y'all main is. My homeboy told me the best support for Zenitsu is actually Nezuko. So I might try Nezuko one of these times. I'm not too sure. Hold on. Come on. Oh, you cheeky little doggy. You got me. You got me, man. Look guys, honestly, I'm just waiting for the demons to come out. I'm tired of using swords. I'm trying to beat a man with my bare hands, you feel me? I'm trying to beat him with my bare hands. Hold on. Look at me. Oh, it's lagging. Oh, it's lagging. Uh-oh. Heavy. Come on, man. Get him out of here, man. Get him out of here. This is embarrassing for Rengoku players, man. Oh yeah. Let me just end this quickly, man. Let me end this quickly. This is... Look at this. Huh. Hold on, cause I'm low key nice. I'm low key nice.
Bruh.
Oh. Hey man, look, we hopping in another game. Game 3. Other 2 games they quit on me, so I'm hoping, you feel me, this man don't quit. Let's get him. Oh yeah, we on him. We on bumpers. Oh yeah. What he doing? Oh, I'm messing up bad though. Yeah. Let me get some energy. Back up. Don't come to me, bro. Back up. Let me get some energy. Back up. Oh yeah. Oh, Rengoku saved you. Oh. Oh, water wheel. Oh, another water wheel. Okay. Grab. Yup. Stop blocking, man. Come on. Let's fight. Heavy. What you doing? What you doing, bro? Come on, man. BB. Bop. Boom. Bop. Boop. Come on. Come on. And crack 999. Give me a challenge, man. Oh. Grab. Stop blocking. Come on. Hit. Come on, man. Oof. I'm terrible. What's he doing? He's just blocking. Somebody help this man. Oh yeah. Somebody. I'm just doing the same things over. Somebody. You need to adapt, my boy. Let me give you some tips. You need to adapt. I'm just heavying. Ooh, I tried to get away. Oh my god, he's terrible. We on him though. We on him. We on him. This is a clean sweep. This is looking like a clean sweep. Uh-oh. Oh. Water wheel. I see that's everybody's new favorite move on this game. Water wheel. Water wheel. Look at him. Water wheel. Water wheel. Oh lord. Oh yeah, butterfly baby. Let's just use this. Let's end this game as quick as possible, man. Let's get him out of here. Let's get him out of here. Damn, I feel like I ain't do much right there with level 3. Heavy. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh. Broop. Oh yeah. Come on. Bop bop bop. Oh yeah. That GG, man. 3 zip. No quit. Is he gonna quit? Ah, he didn't. Let's go. We out of here, man.